Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer Worldcoin to another phone. So here I'm on their support.world.org. So here is how you can successfully move account to a new phone. So if you're switching to a new phone and you want to ensure a smooth transition of your account without issues, then you just have to follow these steps. So before switching phones, be sure to back up your account. So you can use Google Drive or iCloud to back up your account on your current phone. So this ensures that your account details are saved securely and can be restored on a new device. So I have a video of this one. You can just check it out on my account. So here is the steps and how you can do it. So update your phone number. So if you have a new phone and has a different number than your current phone, then you just have to enter settings on your current phone and select phone number to insert your new number. So in here, you just have to put here your current number, your new one, and then you will need to do this in case you need to later receive a verification code in order to update your password. So in here, you will have just to put the verification code, which is this one. And then next is to remove World app from your old phone. So you have to delete World app from your old phone. So only do this once you are completely sure that you have successfully backed up your account and have access to your password. And just a note that World app does not have access to your password or private keys. So recovery is only possible if the following steps were completed during the initial setup of your account, like adding your phone number to the application and enabling cloud backup or the Google Drive and the iCloud. So to move your account to a new phone, you have to select existing account. So this one. So open the World app on your new phone, and choose the existing account option to restore your account from a backup. So this is very important that you do not select new account because it will force you to create a new account and prevent you from restoring your old account. So make sure you click on this one. And next is to choose backup method. So select the method that you like to use for restoration from the list provided, like Android account through the Google Drive or iPhone through iCloud. So you just have to make sure that your Google Drive or iCloud accounts are signed in to your new phone before reaching this step. So here, if you have iPhone, you have to restore with iCloud. If you have Android, then go for the Google Drive. Next is to restore from backup. So if you backed up your account previously, the backups will appear for you to select. So choose the correct backup to restore your account. So in here, you have to select a backup to restore. So this one, you can select any of these, depends on what you would like to back up. So once you have selected, just tap on continue. And next is to enter your password only if needed. So if a backup isn't detected locally, you will be prompted to enter your password and enter your password correctly to restore your account. So you just have to enter your password in here and tap on next. And that's it. Your account successfully is restored. So if a backup exists, your account will be restored on your new phone successfully. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.